Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Gady, back for some more math with penguins. But today we're going to go back and practice our addition. Now, before I get started, I want to show you a little video because we're going to be using the example of penguins jumping in and out of water off icy ledges. And I just wanted to show you something so that you might get excited about it. So here we go. Check out these penguins up here. They're on this icy ledge and they're going to jump right into that water. Here they go. Looks like they're probably in Antarctica. Oh, there's a couple up. Are they going to do it? All right. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to open up the document camera. And I'm going to show you today's I can statement. It says, I can add numbers to 5 and 10. Yeah, we're using 5s and 10s, and we're going to add some numbers. And this is sort of a review. Let's see what I mean. Today you will need your math workbook and a pencil, but you don't need to get it out quite yet, or you don't need to use it quite yet. Let me show you some examples of what I mean first with this addition. So I've got some pictures here of baby penguins, and here they are. There's some up on a top ledge and there's some down below on a lower ledge. And it says, look how the baby penguins love to stand on the high and low ice ledges, getting ready to jump into the water. Each ledge has only enough room for 5 babies. Let's find out how many baby penguins there are in each of the pictures below. Each time we are starting with 5. And you can see on the top ledge, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together in this picture, there's 5 plus how many more? 3. So we have 5 plus 3 equals, you should know that one really quick. 5 plus 3 equals 8. You are right. Okay, so we added a 3 to 5. Let's try another one. 5 babies on the top, 5 babies on the bottom ledge. 5 plus 5, that's a double, you know that. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Excellent. All right, let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, last one. Adding to 5. Here's the 5 baby penguins up top. And this time we are adding how many more? That's right, we are adding 4 more. So it's 5 plus 4. Really quickly, you should know that 5 plus 4 equals, that's right, 9. And just to show you another way, I'll get out my number rack and show you the 5 plus 4. So if I had my number rack and I took these 5 little baby penguins and put them on the top ledge, and then took 4 more and put them on the bottom ledge, you'd see that I'd have 5 plus 4. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, that was some review adding to 5. Now let's review adding to 10. So instead of baby penguins, I've got some adult penguins here. And this says, now let's visit the adults. Adult penguins are much bigger and stronger than babies, and they can dive from higher and bigger ledges. Each ledge has enough room for exactly 10 adult penguins. Let's find out how many penguins there are in the pictures below. We'll write an addition combination to show how many in each picture. All right, just like before, but we're adding to the number 10 this time, because as you can see up here in the first example, on this high ledge, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 adult penguins. So up high on the top ledge, there are 10. And down below, one of them's waving. On the bottom ledge, there are 2 more. So it's 10 plus 2 equals, shout it out, first graders, 10 plus 2 equals, you got it, 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Hey, I could show you that with my Unifix cubes, because I have some of those too. So if I had 10, I better move myself out of the way here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 adult penguins up top and 2 adult penguins down below. 10 plus 2 is 10, 11, 12. Okie doke. Next practice problem with me. Get ready to shout out the answer. All right, we know that on the top ledge there will always be 10. So it's 10 plus, how many are down here? 5. Shout it out. 10 plus 5 is 15. You got it. All right. And last practice problem. Get ready. Here it comes. 10 adult penguins up top, starting with 10. How many down below? 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. You got it. Okay, that was some practice with me. Now, in your workbook, now's the time to get it out if you don't have it already. You're going to turn to page 38. Now, if you are in Mrs. Taylor's class, you may have already done this page. And it's okay. Go back and check your work with me. Who knows? I might make a mistake. And you can shout out through the video, Mrs. Katie, you made a mistake. All right. So I'm going to have you practice this page on your own, first graders. And it's with the adult penguins. You can see these are the grown-ups. And I'm going to scroll in a little bit so you can see the instructions carefully on my screen. It says, write an addition combination to tell how many penguins are standing on the ice ledges, waiting to dive into the water. So just like on our practice sheet, top ledge, bottom ledge, add them together to get the total amount of penguins. I will do the first one for you. I know on the top there are 10, and I see on the bottom that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10 plus 6 equals, that's right, 16, just like we practiced. So do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then they don't give you pictures for the 2 on the bottom. They give you just a word story. There were 10 penguins on the top ledge and 4 penguins on the bottom ledge. How many in all? 10 on the top, 4 on the bottom. There were 10 penguins on the top ledge and 8 penguins on the bottom ledge. 10 and 8. How many in all? Notice that they're writing the equation going across. You can do it that way too. You can write them across, or you can write them going down, just like that. So I'd like you to do that page on your own. right now. And then, as a challenge, I would like you to try this story problem on the next page, page 39. It's more penguins on ice ledges, but it's a challenge. So read the problem and look at the picture. Solve the problem. Use numbers, words, or pictures to show your thinking, and then write the answer. That's where you write your answer. This is where you show your thinking. Sometimes in my class, I'll draw a light bulb because we're thinking about it. There's this story problem and this story problem to figure out as your challenge. When you are done, I would like you to take a picture of both of these pages and post it to Seesaw so that Mrs. Taylor and Miss Klein and myself can see your work and check it. All right, first graders, remember, this is review. You're adding to 5s and you're adding to 10. Can you see those fingers? Not very well. 5 and 10. That's it, folks. Until next time, bye-bye.